Now, more details emerged today on the reason the now deceased pastor was deported from Canada. Kevin Smith migrated to Canada in 1993, but in 2007, he was convicted on a sexual assault charge. The revelation was made by the Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, who was speaking with Jamaica Gleaner journalist Jovan Johnson.
The police have indicated to me that they have confirmed that Mr. Kevin Smith, or Pastor Kevin Smith, had been convicted on the 5th of November 2007 of one count of sexual assault of a male victim, and that he served 6 months in prison, and there was also a 2 years discretionary probationary period, as well as probation orders made for some 10 years.
However, the DPP would not go into details about the nature of the case against Mr. Smith.
Because Mr. Smith is now deceased, I would prefer to just leave it at one count of sexual assault in respect of a male victim, a 21-year-old male victim, and perhaps you could speak to the police at the highest level for them to fill in on the details if they believe it's appropriate so to do.